Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to win money on Fiverr. Fiverr is an online freelance marketplace where you can sell gigs. It's a popular freelance website as well. On Fiverr, you can hire a freelancer as well as work as a freelancer. You only need a few minutes to set up your Fiverr account, then you can start posting your gigs. Now, you must be wondering, what are those gigs? To put it simple, gigs are like offers. For example, you can post a gig that says, I will write inside for you for $5 or something like that. Or for example, I can edit a video for you for $10. What are you doing when you post a gig is that you're making an offer to do something you are good for some money. This is how you earn money from Fiverr. It sounds pretty simple, right? But it's a bit more difficult than that. You see, there will be millions of gigs that are offered in the same service as you on the website because you see there are millions of people working on it. So what you need to do after you create a gig is that you need to promote and draw traffic towards your gigs. That's the difficult part. No matter what freelancer website you choose, this will always be the case. It is easy to create an account, but getting actual jobs can be difficult sometimes. Fiverr is completely free to join and you can post any kind of gigs on Fiverr. You can also create package because it's mostly online. You can work from whatever place you think is convenient for you. Freelancing has become a well-known career choice, and no, a lot of people prefer it because of the comforts that it promises. Plus, how much you earn is totally up to you. You can change your rates anytime you want, and you can charge whatever rate you want. But yes, there will always be a lot of competition in this field. Fiverr is a two-way communication platform, which means both buyers and sellers have the opportunity to find each other. A buyer can browse through the profiles of sellers that meet their requirements, or a seller can look through buyers' requests for tasks that match their skills. Once buyer and seller find each other, they'll agree to see the goal, time framework, and price. Then it's set up to the freelancer to do what they do, work. The most important thing is work for a 5-star rating. I guess that's important because checking the review is the most important for me, because the feedback and reviews are vital to maintain an excellent reputation within the Fiverr community. Not only will a high rating make you more appealing to buyers, but it will also increase your visibility in the search engine. There are plenty of ways to earn a good rating with your clients. Coupled with a successful project providing top-notch service will surely win your rating to you deserve. Be reliable, communicative, and friendly during all your gigs on Fiverr, please. That's the most important. And that's all in this video. Thanks for watching this video, and I'm gonna try to give you more information about this topic. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, give me a like or something like that. That's important for me. And thanks for watching this video.